In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Rust Console Edition with a keyboard and mouse. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, if you own Rust on either console, either the PS4, Xbox One, PS5, or any other Xbox Series X or S, you will notice that if you try to connect a mouse and keyboard directly to your console and play that way, you will not be able to use keyboard and mouse on Rust console. What you need to do instead is buy an adapter. In this video, the adapter I'm going to recommend and show is the Cronus Max. The Cronus Max or the Cronus Zen allows you to use a keyboard and mouse on a console, and you can also set custom scripts if you wish. As you can see, it's going to give you advanced one-to-one controller to mouse conversion with no lag. So basically, this device allows you to plug in a mouse and a keyboard, and it goes directly into your console, PlayStation or Xbox, and that's going to allow you to use any mouse and keyboard you wish on Rust. Like I said, you can also download scripts for Cronus Zen over here, but this isn't strictly necessary. Another disclaimer is that you don't necessarily need to use Cronus Zen. As long as you have an adapter that allows you to connect a mouse and the keyboard to your console, it might work. However, the Cronus Zen is the best one available in today's market. If you wish to get the scripts, simply look for Rust Console Edition Cronus Max or Cronus Zen and access the first page over here. You can buy a Cronus Zen by going to their website at cronusmax.com. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Rust Console Edition with a keyboard and mouse. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.